Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Kids Cartoon Bonanza. Today, we're going on a flying adventure to learn about some amazing birds. Are you ready? Let's flap our wings and start. Look who's here. It's a sparrow. Sparrows are tiny birds with brown feathers and quick little hops. They love chirping near houses and gardens. Can you chirp like a sparrow? Chirp, chirp! Good job! Wow! Look at that bright green bird. It's a parrot. Parrots are very smart and can even talk. They love to eat fruits and nuts. Can you say hello like a parrot? Squawk, hello! Oh my, look at those beautiful feathers. This is a peacock, the national bird of India. Peacocks love to dance in the rain and show their shiny blue and green feathers. Let's dance like a peacock together. Twirl and spin. Here comes the crow, black, clever, and loud. Crows say caw, caw, and are super smart. They live almost everywhere, in cities, villages, and forests. Can you caw like a crow? Caw, caw! Hoo, hoo, sitting on the tree at night. It's an owl, the wise night bird. Owls can see in the dark and say, hoo, hoo. They sleep in the day and wake up at night. Let's all say, hoo, hoo, together. Hoo, hoo. Here comes the pigeon. Pigeons are friendly birds that love flying in flocks. They live in cities and often visit our balconies. Can you flap your wings like a pigeon? Flap, flap, flap. Quack, quack. Who's swimming in the pond? It's a duck. Ducks have webbed feet and love to splash in water. They can swim, walk, and even fly. Let's all say, quack, quack together. Quack, quack.
Look up high. There's the mighty eagle. Eagles are strong birds with sharp eyes. They can spot food from far, far away. Wow, they're the kings of the sky. Hen and rooster. On the farm, we have a hen and a rooster. The hen lays eggs and the rooster wakes everyone up with a cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's all say it together. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Great job. Penguin. Brr, it's cold here. Meet the penguin, the bird that can't fly but loves to swim. They live in snowy lands and waddle side to side. Let's all waddle like penguins. Left, right, left, right. Flamingo. Look at those tall pink birds. They're flamingos. Flamingos love to eat tiny shrimp that make their feathers pink. They stand on one leg. Can you try it too? One leg up, balance, and smile. Wow, we met so many wonderful birds today. Let's remember their names. Sparrow, parrot, peacock, crow, owl, pigeon, duck, eagle, hen, rooster, penguin, and flamingo. You did an amazing job. Keep watching Kids Cartoon Bonanza to learn more about animals, colors, numbers, and so much more. Bye-bye, little birdies. See you next time. Tweet, tweet.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kids Cartoon Bonanza.